Dylan was asked to go get bait. Jake, you can put those back, honey. Put those back in the water. Otherwise the seagulls are going to come and get them. Yeah, that's called the bait, right? The bait.
Yeah.
Who eats that bait, Dill? No, who eats the bait? Who eats those little fishies? Or
George.
Big fish. George? No, big fish eat the little fish. Right, Jake?